My name is Kevin Thibault. I'm Machine Shop Manager here at Adam Jet Industries. We're a full-service facility in Brandon, Manitoba, servicing customers across North America. Since 1962, we've been building a reputation for producing quality parts and maintaining a strong commitment to customer service. Our skilled trades team consists of journeyman machinists, driveline specialists, engineering, and a full quality assurance department. Our capabilities include CNC production machining, custom manual machining, line boring including on-site work, hydraulic cylinder manufacturing and repair, and driveline manufacturing, repair, and balancing. In short, if you or your company has a problem, Adam Jet will create a solution for you. For more information, call 1-800-573-5048 or visit adamjet.com.